One word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. You've been running on dry, carrying more than you were meant to carry. I see a quiet river, and on the banks there are trees which are growing. And the Lord says, I'm bringing you into a place of renewal. I'm bringing you into a time of refreshment. For as you look to me, you are being restored. As you walk with me, I am the Lord who is lifting you up. You will be like a tree that is planted by streams of living water, bearing fruit in season. For I am the one who is bringing my peace into your heart. I am the one who is renewing you and strengthening you from the inside out. Trust in me that I am there by your side, the one who gives you my perfect peace, the one who abides with you, the one who brings my presence into every situation of your life. Don't be afraid, but trust that I am with you. Trust that I am the Lord who is restoring, the Lord who is healing, the Lord who is making new and whole. Look to me this day and receive my refreshment, for I am bringing my life-giving words to you, my words that bring healing, my words that bring restoration. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.